Hi, it's John Zink with AVI SPL. I'm here with the group, our XTG group, where we do a customer experience centers and want to show you our interactive theater. Our theater now here is edge blended with foldback lenses and is fully interactive to give customers the coolest and the most able technology to show their customers. Give you an example. So we start out and we can choose what we want to do. We bring pictures, bring them aside, and we custom build these for each installation and for each customer and help them build their content to make them look good to their customers. John Zink, AVI SPL. Oh, our website is www.avispl.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.